What's up, folks? This is Crypto with James talking to you today about Ponyo Inu because I spoke about it and I did a video before it launched. My God, has it done well? So I want to talk about it and what's its potential because it's running like wildfire. So I want to get into that. Before I do, I always update the spreadsheet. These are the first 26 coins I spoke about on the channel that I thought would smash it in this bull cycle. Had you invested $100 into each one when I released the videos and you were still holding the entire bag, be in profit for $86,200. Add in your $2,600 investment, you'd be sitting on $88,800. 88800. It's not bad. I've held them all. I've closed positions on them all in profit. And just not grin and reinvested all that money into new cryptos. If you want to see what I'm in, you can check out Copy My Crypto. This is where I share the portfolio I'm in, the coins I hold, the ones that have been rampant in the last few weeks. My biggest holdings are killing it. And if you want to make these gains and match my gains, you can check it out. The bull cycle is going to be good for us all. It really is. As long as you're banking profits, for God's sake, bank profits. But the bear cycle is going to be where you make insane return on investments. All I do during a bear cycle is find the gems that are hugely undervalued. Look at Phantom, found that in a bear cycle, it's up 561x. So a 2K investment, if you'd have put it when I did release the Udemy course, would have netted a profit of like 1.2 million, 1.12 million. It's bloody good, right? And that's what I'll be sharing with everyone when the bear cycle comes. And it will come. If you're new to crypto, this doesn't carry on forever. Whether it's January, February, March, whatever it is, this cycle will end. And a bear cycle will come in and 70% of all the value of the cryptos will start dropping within a fortnight. And then that couple year period where it's bear is where the money is made. So if you want to be a part of it, check it out. Right, Ponyo Inu. I released a video about Ponyo Inu before it launched because I'd broken 10K subscribers on YouTube. It was a big moment for me personally. And as a sort of a thank you to everyone that has supported the channel, I released a video about Ponyo just saying, you know, it's a really good project and there's a lot of potential here. So it launched at $60,000 market cap. Its current market cap is 36.8 million. So you're looking at gains of around 600x. 600x from when it launched. And the question is what's the potential, right? The potential is huge. Absolutely huge. I was bullish as hell on this because, well, let's go through it. So, this is one of the first the first token of its kind. They have an auto impact investing token, right? This is what was hugely bullish for me because it's the first of its kind. First mover advantage is a real thing. Yeah, look at Ethereum. Why is Ethereum top of the tree on smart contract, on smart contract cryptos? Because fundamentally, we all know this, it's not that good. In terms of fees, in terms of speed, there are a lot better, but it's first mover advantage. Auto impact investing is inevitable. There's been studies talking about it. Hell, the UN has been talking about it. Ponyo Inu, first to act. Massive, massive first mover advantage. In the time that they've been up and running, and by the way, that's about 2 weeks. Let's have a look at the chart. So let's have a look at the days. Why is there a smiley face? Right. It launched on the 29th. I think it launched at around 1 a.m. on the 29th of October. So it's been up and running for 11, 12 days, right? In that time, absolutely skyrocketed. And in that time, in 12 days, Ponyo Inu has managed to donate $450,000 to the Coral Restoration Foundation. That is the equivalent of 3% of the transactions that occur. There's there's taxation with the token economics in this model, and there's 11% in taxes, but 3% is directly auto impact invested into Coral Restoration Foundation. They have received nearly $500,000 in this short space of time. That is staggering. 5% goes to marketing, and the marketing has been phenomenal. I noticed at the weekend, I think it was Altcoin Daily released a video about Ponyo Inu, because it's beginning to get the respect that the project actually deserves. 2% goes to liquidity and 1% is reflection. So if you're holding it, you're passively earning. But it's been a staggering growth. And I'll show you the Coral Restoration Foundation as well. So here we are, Coral Restoration Foundation. This is about repairing the state of the oceans, and they're doing hugely good work. They're putting in synthetic coral. They're improving the situation within the reefs. And if you look top of the list, Ponyo Inu, above Disney, above the Walt Disney Company, in terms of what they've brought to them. I'm sure Walt Disney have donated some money, but nothing close to what Ponyo has done in like 12 days. 12 days. And what I'm pretty bloody bullish on as well is they're really pushing opportunities for people to actually to grow Ponyo. So as an example, if people buy Ponyo, and they do this constantly, if people buy Ponyo, basically if you buy between half an ETH and 1.1 ETH, anyone that buys between that amount are entered into a lottery. 7 people will win 1 ETH back. So you might get all your money back anyway on your investment straight off the bat. They're encouraging people to participate and to start growing the amount of holders in Ponyo. And in the time that it's been up and running, which is 12 days, over 3,500 holders. And that will continue to grow. And today it's having some level of retrace. But if you look at yesterday, at one point it was at like nearly 5 cents, 4.7 cents. And it is set to continue to grow. They've released their white paper. The white paper, again, is really good. They talk about the huge strength of the auto impact token. Talk about the huge benefits of it. They're bringing a second cryptocurrency down the line. So within Ponyo, they're going to have a Ponyo Inu game. The Ponyo Inu game will have a second game token, which will be Pearl, which is a play-to-earn model. The team have worked incredibly well, and they're continuing to develop. They're going to even bring in staking to earn the secondary token Pearl. There's going to be a centralized autonomous platform for it. The potential for growth here is massive. And I said when I did the first video that there's huge potential here, particularly when you look at previous coins with similar dynamics like Mononoke or say Tama. But Ponyo, with that first mover advantage on auto impact tokens, huge potential. And bear in mind, it's been up and running on CoinGecko since November 3rd. In that time, it's still up over 300% straight in the last 7 days, literally in a week. It's trebled. And I am very, very, very bullish on the potential for this. I think we can see this run comfortably to $100 million, if not more. 10 cents a coin seems very achievable. I wouldn't be surprised if we see that within a week. But what I do think is that down the line as well, there is potential for this to grow. You've seen Saitama. I think Saitama Inu has a market cap of $4 billion. I think its diluted market cap is about $7 billion, and I think its actual market cap is about $4 billion, which would put Ponyo at like $4 a piece. Now, I don't know if it can do $4 a piece, but $1 billion there's actual legitimate potential. You're looking at like a 26x from where it is. That's achievable. That's achievable with the momentum that it's building and with the work that they're doing. Again, what they've donated is staggering. And by the way, that's not including like excuse me, the money that went to Mr. Beast, to the open seas, to the ocean clear up. The YouTuber Mr. Beast does, where they donated, I'm pretty sure, like 110,000 as well. There's a lot to come here. There's a lot to come here, and you know, like I said, I did this video because I saw potential and like real potential in it. I also did the video because, like I said, we broke 10,000, and I was so over the moon with that. Like a real landmark, you know. So thank you to everyone. And yeah, and the thing is when I find these again, like if I find this, you know, the same with Phantom, you know, and when the bear cycle kicks in, I want to reiterate that bear cycle is going to kick in. Those coins that can 100, 200, 300, 400x, they're going to the first place they're going to is the subscribers in Copy My Crypto. If I find another Ponyo Inu, that goes straight to those guys, and I want to make sure that they're enjoying those benefits as well, on top of the fact that the portfolio keeps crushing it. But yeah, so if you want to be a part of that, then check it out, because like I said, the obviously this has done huge runs, and I'm over the moon. By the way, thank you to a number of the people that emailed myself and my team about this, because we got a bunch of them, and I got sent photos of from the Telegram group, so I was appreciative of that as well. Crypto Jesus thing really made me laugh. But yeah, if you're in Ponyo, I'm over the moon, because there's still room for this to run mad. And like I said, you know, at 10 cents per coin, I can see that happening. You know, it could feasibly happen within a week, within 5-6 days, because it's building such solid momentum. And they keep doing offers and getting people to participate. You know, if you've got half an ETH and you want to participate in getting some Ponyo, you've got an opportunity to win 1 ETH. And I think this is going to be, to be fair, I think this will be closed by the time this video actually gets uploaded. But they do these competitions constantly. I really recommend people check out their Telegram and check out what they're achieving. Because I really want to give a shout out to the team here. They've done phenomenal work. That level of donation to restoring the oceans in under 2 weeks is staggering. You see Fortune 500 companies that don't donate that level of money. So incredible work. And like I said, the room for this to run is still pretty bloody good. We've seen meme coins go for $1 billion as a market cap that have no functionality. This one has incredible functionality. There's no reason it couldn't long term hit $1. So there's still room. But yeah, I just want to give another shout out to those people in the that got in, because like I said, the emails that we got were really nice. So thank you for that. But yeah, the next one of these I find, better believe that goes on Copy My Crypto, and I can't wait to share them. But guys, in a quick reiteration, because there are so many new people in crypto, you know, a lot of my family, a lot of my friends, a lot of friends from childhood that randomly reach out and talk to me, but they've, you know, are in crypto now, and there's this whole perspective on everything can keep running and running and running and running. The people that seasoned to the crypto markets, you know that's not the case. You know, if you were here in 2017, you know, in the crypto markets in 2017-18, that correction was hard. It was brutal. 2013, you know, that again was quite dramatic. Obviously from a lower starting point, but still. And they won't last forever. And when the bear cycle kicks in, you've got the opportunity to retire so much younger than you ever imagined. And it's about making good investments during the retirement. But bank your profits along the way, guys. For the love of God. The amount of people that don't bank, try and bank out, get out at the top. Trust me when I say this. 1 in a million people get out at the top of the market. It's not about that. Give yourself security. Make sure you're cashing your profits in your investments because you sleep well. And then when the bear cycle comes, you've got that money that's ready to go and you'll make some good investments. All I do during a bear cycle is dive into the coins that are undervalued. Found Phantom during the bear cycle. It's up 561 times in value. And it was such an easy, solid investment. I could keep just trickling that money in week by week by week by week, you know. And all I'm going to do is find them and I'm going to share them with Copy My Crypto members. So if you want to be part of it, check the link, guys. Anyway, take it easy.